Pictures that are curious. Can you dance and recite a poem at the same time?
Slow down, slow down. No, dang. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My brother is super cool. He likes school and he makes his own rules. My brother is crazy. Sometimes he acts weirdly that he would dance like a turkey. That's funny. My brother is a guy I love to be around. He is a close friend I found. My brother loves sports. He loves to play basketball and badminton. And he does those things at Lincoln. My brother is the best among the rest in the West. Thank you.